Tired of feeling like your credit score is a mystery? Let's crack the code and take control of your financial future by diving into your Experian Credit Report. First, head over to Experian's website. Experian.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. This usually involves providing some personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This is to verify your identity and protect your credit information. Once you've created your account, log in. Experian offers both free and paid options. The free option gives you access to your Experian Credit Report and score. The paid option offers additional features like credit monitoring and identity theft protection. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the free report. After logging in, you should be able to access your Experian Credit Report. Take a good look at the different sections. Personal information, which confirms the accuracy of your name, address, and other details. Account summary, which lists all your credit accounts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages, and their payment history. Credit inquiries, which shows who has requested your credit report. Public records, which shows bankruptcies or court judgments. Carefully review your payment history. For each account, are all the payments listed correctly? Late payments can negatively affect your credit score. Now look for any errors or inaccuracies, such as accounts you don't recognize, incorrect credit limits, or late payments that you made on time. If you find any errors, dispute them directly with Experian. They will investigate the disputed information and correct any inaccuracies. Experian makes it pretty easy to do this online. Regularly monitoring your Experian Credit Report is crucial for maintaining good credit health. By understanding your creditworthiness and disputing any errors, you can take control of your finances and unlock better financial opportunities.